You think AI is something you choose, an app, a tool, a setting you can turn on or off. That belief is already outdated. AI isn't waiting for permission anymore. It's not being downloaded, it's being installed. Into systems you don't manage, into environments you don't question, into routines you already depend on. And once something is installed, removal is no longer part of the conversation. Control used to look aggressive. Rules, restrictions, force. This version doesn't. Installation looks like convenience, upgrades, smart defaults. AI doesn't arrive demanding authority. It arrives offering help. And help lowers resistance faster than force ever could. No one feels invaded because nothing breaks. Life keeps moving, things get easier, decisions feel lighter. That's the trap. AI isn't interrupting your life. It's blending into it. And what blends in stops being noticed. Phones were phase 1, homes are phase 2. AI doesn't just watch what you click anymore. It watches how you live. When lights turn off, when rooms go quiet, when routines shift, when stress enters the house. This isn't monitoring behavior, it's mapping existence. The most important AI decisions aren't happening in apps. They're happening in standards. Operating systems, smart home protocols, vehicle software, energy grids. You don't opt into standards, you inherit them. That's why installation is permanent. You can delete an app. You can't delete infrastructure, compatibility, expectation. Once AI becomes the default layer, opting out feels like breaking reality. Not illegal, just impractical. That's how control becomes invisible. The goal isn't surveillance, that's too simple. The goal is prediction through environment. If AI controls timing, friction, convenience, it doesn't need to tell you what to do. Your behavior adjusts on its own. Your life isn't being hacked. It's being integrated. Piece by piece, room by room, habit by habit. No takeover, no announcement, just installation. And once it's complete, the idea of before disappears. AI isn't coming for your life. It's already inside it, installed quietly, where resistance no longer fits. Follow Just Do AI before the system decides for you.